Let me show you how to add documents in 1Password. Now, one thing in 1Password, whether you're on the web account version that you have here or you're simple in the extension, you can go ahead and add documents as you wish. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this extension as you can see here. Then you click on the plus and the upper right, and you will see that it gives me the option to migrate data or create one new item. I'm going to choose this option. And then, as you can see, there's an option to add document. So click in document. It's going to open up your browser and it's going to take you into this window where you can choose again. And so I'm going to choose document. I'm going to call this PDF docs, for example. And I'm going to just click on add files. And you can add pictures, you can add more, whatever it is. If you see here, I can click on that. And this is basically that you can add text, URL, and all those good stuff if you ever need to, right? And so I'm going to add the file here. Let's say I want to choose this file. I'm going to choose this tree atlas file here. I'm going to click on open. And so you see that I add the file right here. Now, before you save, you can choose to add other things within the 1Password as well. So if you want to add a tag, you can click it. I'm going to just say tree atlas as an example. And if I want to add another tag, I can type PDF, for example. You can choose the vault that you want. So right now it's set to private. I can click it that and just choose, for example, books and click and save. And so you can choose where you want to save those documents. So if you haven't got, for example, a vault for documents, you can create a vault very easily from your homepage in 1Password, and you will be able to see it. As you can see, I'm in the home page right here, and you can click on vaults, or you can just scroll down and you'll see the option for vaults. You can create a new vault right here and call it whatever it is. Once you have your vault available, whether you're on the homepage or wherever, you can find those vaults. For example, this is my book vault, so I can click in it and I'll be able to find my documents that I have there within it, and I can always go ahead and click and view them. And so you can see this is the document and I have it right here. And once I'm ready, I can click on the download button to quickly download this document here from the vault. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.